Hey everyone, welcome back to Gurukul. In this video, we will learn how to do interpolation. So, interpolation is a process of determining the unknown values that lie in between the known data points. So, there is something called as extrapolation also, that is determining the unknown value that lies beyond the known data points. Now, to understand this, we are taking an example of a ship. So, there's a ship and it has a draft of x1 meter, and at that draft, the displacement of that ship is y1 metric tons. And we have to find the displacement, that is y, at a draft of x, and we have another data point, that is x2 draft, and at that draft, the displacement of that ship is y2 metric tons. Now, suppose we have to find y, which is unknown, for the value of x meters. Now, to find y, first of all, we will find the difference between these two values, that is y2 minus y1, and after that we will find the difference of x2 and x1, and then we will divide and then find the difference of x and x1, multiply these values, and then you add y1, you will get y. To understand this, we will take an example. So for example, our draft is 6 meters, and at that draft, the displacement of ship is 12019. As we know, as the draft increases, the displacement keeps increasing. So now we have to find displacement of the ship at a draft 6.15 meters, and we know another values, that is draft 6.20 meters, and the displacement for the draft is 12472 metric tons. Now to find the value, so first of all we will find the difference between 6 and 6.20, and we will find the difference of the corresponding displacement for that draft. So for 0.20 meters of difference in draft, the difference in the displacement is 453 metric tons. Now we have the value for difference in draft of 0.20 meter. The difference in displacement will be 453 tons. Now to find the displacement at a draft of 6.15 meters, we have to find the difference of 6 meters and 6.15 meters. Now we have to find the difference in displacement for 0.15 meters. So 0.15 meters is the difference between these drafts, and once we will get the difference in displacement, that will be the corresponding difference, then we will add. As we can see here, the displacement increases as the draft increases. As the displacement increases, so we have to add, and if the corresponding value is decreasing, then we have to subtract. But now it's increasing, so we have to add. So first of all, we will find the difference in displacement for 0.15 meters. So by dividing this, we got the value of difference in displacement for 1 meter of difference in draft, and then we multiply it by 0.15 meters. By multiplying this, we will get the value for the difference of 0.15 meters in draft. The difference in displacement will be 339.75 tons. So this value is not the displacement for 6.15. Instead, this is the difference in displacement for 0.15 meters of difference in drafts. Now we have to add this 339.75 to 12019 tons. Then we will get the displacement for 6.15 meters. So after adding these values, we got 12,358.75 tons. So this is the displacement at a draft of 6.15 meters. So this is the method of interpolation. But if you have scientific calculator, then you can do interpolation directly from the scientific calculator. You don't have to do all this process. You can get this answer directly from the calculator. So to do this,
So now I have taken the same values. So first switch on the calculator, then you go to mode, press this mode, then select REG, that is regression mode. For that you have to press 3, then you have to go to linear, for that press 1, and now your calculator is ready for interpolation. Now you put the first value, that is 6 meters. So 6, now press comma, and now you enter the corresponding value of the draft, that is 12019 meters. So 12019. Now press M plus. So this was the first known values. Now enter another known values, that is 6.20. So 6.20 and then comma, and now enter corresponding value for this draft, that is 12472. So 12472 and then M plus, that is another known value. Now we have to find displacement for the draft of 6.15 meters. Now enter 6.15, then press shift and 2. Now press this side button until end. So you have to choose this one. So for that we have to enter 2. So 2 and then equal to, then this is the answer, that is 12358.75 metric tons. So that was the answer. So that was the same as the previous answer. Now if you are interpolating further, for that go to shift, then mode, press 3 for all, and then reset. Okay, and now you can enter other values for other interpolation. Thank you.
I hope you find this video helpful. Do subscribe the channel, like the video, and do comment in the comment section.